Okay, all right. So for group 5, we're going to deal with a bunch of long divisions. So this one, number 11, this is what I tell my students at all times, that when you do long division or synthetic division, well, which is not, well, synthetic, it's not part of this quiz material here. You always expect, all right, you always expect some missing terms, okay? Maybe missing term, one term only, or maybe there are two terms here. All right, so here, let's take a look here. We have no missing term. That's wonderful. So let's go ahead and continue. We have 9y cubed minus 13y squared plus 3y minus 24. Okay. So we have that, and then we have y squared minus 4y plus 3. Now, just a quick note, since we have gone through the basics of synthetic division, but we're not doing it this time, but I wanted to talk about it. For things like this, we cannot use synthetic division, and that's why we do long division, because synthetic division, it's only applicable for the divisor to be, the divisor has to be a linear divisor, like x plus 2, x minus 3, that kind of linear divisor. For something that's this complicated, we have no choice but to do long division, okay? All right, now, there's no missing term, then we just go ahead and say, all right, y squared times what would help us get to 9y cubed? That would be 9y, so 9y cubed. So that's there, and don't forget that you have to multiply 9y to the remaining terms. So negative 36y squared plus 27y, okay? And don't forget that this is a subtraction. So the 9y cubed would be gone, and then negative 13y squared plus 36y squared, that would give us positive 20y squared. So this is one of the first mistakes that people might make. So you want to make sure that you're doing the subtraction properly. Okay, there's no need to rush. This will be a 24y. Again, it's a subtraction. You have the 24 right here. And then we will do times 23. So 23y squared minus what's going to be 92y, and then plus 69. All right, so we probably have a remainder because I don't see them crossing out each other nicely. So what do we have here? We have 60 where we have 68y, positive 68y, and then we have a negative 93. Okay, negative 93. So with that said, we will go ahead and write down our answer, which will be the quotient right here, plus the 98y minus 93 divided by the divisor, which is y squared minus 4y plus 3. Okay. So the long division, it's not something that it's, I mean, it's not hard, but it is definitely something you want to be very careful. You want to make sure that that you are not doing it too fast. You don't want to just rush it, and then you make a careless mistake along the way, and that, you know, mess up the whole calculation. All right, so the next video we'll go over number 2. All right, question 12.